So this is day 3 of introducing food to our babies. And can you hear that? That is the sound of puppies lapping up. And really all it is just, it's puppy food and water. And they're just drinking the liquid at this point. But over the next few days, they will start eating. Pretty exciting. Really doesn't take them very long. And then there's these few puppies that are going back for more, and then they just start looking at each other's whiskers and saying, "Oh, that is deliciousness. I need some of that." Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Miss Pink has gone in pretty consistently, and so that's exciting. And then the tiny, what is this, pink and blue, she was eating first off, so she went in pretty consistently. And then let's see, okay, so that's pink, blue, and white. That must be a female. She was gonna walk right through. Okay, come on. Come on, y'all. Come back around. So let's see. All right, so this is orange and black. Oh, this is fun when they start interacting with each other. And so this is red, white, and black collar. And then at the bottom of the pile is pink and blue collar. And then over here we have green collar, purple collar, orange collar, pink, white, and blue. What's the matter, baby? What's the matter, baby? What's the matter? Oh, good, good, good. Good, good. Let's move it out here a little bit more so everybody can kind of get around it. The other thing that we have done is we have exposed a pee pad, whereas this is their bedding area. We now leave an area that is just to the pee pad, and we start introducing them the option that there is a separate place to pee. And it takes them a while to get it, but it's still important for their development. So fun. Let's see if we can get it. So they're much tinier than what they look on camera. I'm going to tell you that right now. It's deceptive. When you see them on video, you think, oh, they're so big. They're not. They're tiny. And they smell their mama. She's right outside the welcome box. But look at that. Isn't that fun to see them up and around? They're up on all fours. Oh, look. Cute little red and black collar. Hey, babies. Mama's right behind me. Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Can you say hi? Your babies, they see you. Mama. Mama says, what are you eating? Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi babies. Hi babies. Hi. Hi babies. Hi babies. Oh, Miss Gerbo, she is giving it a go.